Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. So on today's video, what I wanted to do was I wanted to compare, right? So this is Chartreuse, Green Chartreuse. It has been one of the hardest things to find. And I just so happened to find it by accident. I wasn't looking for it. I was in a liquor store in Savannah with my daughter, where she was in another store. But anyway, I was doing the whole daughter, daddy, go buy me a bunch of makeup at Sapporo thing. But anywho, she did that. I went in there just to look, and it just so happened they had a bottle of Green Chartreuse, right? If you're watching this, you know what it is, and you know what it's for. It is a liqueur that is made in the French Alps by monks. And there's like 130 herbs in it. And how the story goes, kind of, sort of, is no one monk knows the whole recipe. It is made by two people. One knows half, the other knows the other half, right? So the purpose of this video is I have been substituting this, the veritable Genepy La Chamois. I'm saying it wrong. I know I am. I'm not French. But this has been the closest thing, according to some of the videos I've watched on YouTube, to the Green Chartreuse, right? So I want to see how close it is, just on taste, taste and smell wise, just because this is really herbal. I mean, this is literally green from the herbs that are in it. The color comes from the herb, so it's not artificially green. And there's a yellow version. I didn't see that, so that'll be the next thing to find. So what I'm going to do is pour up a couple glasses, and I have not tried it yet. I just opened it up just so I can make this quick and easy. Now, I've tried this in drinks, but never really by itself. So color-wise, this is definitely greener. You can tell also, Green Chartreuse is pretty strong. It's 55% by volume. That is a very strong liqueur, because it's considered a liqueur, but liqueur is normally around 30%. This is a pretty strong one. So that's 110 proof. And this runs at about 45. So it's right behind it when it comes to proof-wise. So it's close to it. Similar. Now, this one does smell a lot more herbal than that. So, all right. So this is the fake. It tastes medicine-y-ish, but it's not like Jägermeister or nothing like that, right? It's good, sweet. It has a little sweetness to it. Now let's see. I mean, there's no mistaking which is what, right? This right here, you can taste a lot of the herbs. I'm not going to guess what I taste, but you have a mouthful of flavor, I guess. I don't know if I like it better or not, but again, you taste the burn, because like I said, it's 55%, so it's not weak, but a lot of people like this just straight. It's not a bad liqueur. I guess to drink straight, it's not bad. This is similar, but you know it's not that, if that makes sense. It's similar, but you know it's not. I can see it being a good substitute, because again, it is a very strong, it coming at 45%. So 90 proof versus the Green Chartreuse, which is 110 proof, 55%. But anywho, Now that I got a bottle, I can stop cheating on my videos with this bottle until this bottle runs out, because I got a couple bottles of these. But anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time.